Hello student, I am Palle sir from Palle Science Academy Udigir. In previous class we have seen bonding in carbon compounds and hydrocarbons. Today we will see the straight chains, branched chains and ring form of carbon atoms. As we know that carbon forms covalent bonds and with the help of a covalent bond it forms millions of compounds. The structural formulae of methane, ethane, propane show that carbon lie in the core of the molecule and hydrogen atoms attached to the carbon lie at the periphery of the molecule. We can see the structure of methane, ethane, propane, butane, etc. Here, this is the structure of methane, this is the structure of ethane, and this is the structure of propane. So in all these structures, carbon atoms located in the center and hydrogen atoms are present at the periphery, and the straight chain of carbon atoms formed by joining one carbon atom to the next. Here we can see the ethane is formed by attaching two carbon atoms with each other. This is the structure of methane. This is the structure of methane. When one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by carbon, then it forms ethane. This is the structure of ethane. This is the methane, and there are two carbon atoms having 6 hydrogen atoms. Here only one carbon having 4 hydrogen atoms because the valency of carbon is 4. Therefore, it forms 4 covalent bonds. The straight chain of carbon atom is formed by joining one carbon atom to the next. Here, this is the ethane. After this, if one hydrogen atom of ethane is replaced by carbon, then it forms propane. This is the structure of propane. This is the straight chain. And branched chain means when one of the carbon atom forms branch. For example, this is the structure of isobutane. In this structure, 3 carbon atoms are attached to each other in a straight chain, and one of the carbon atom is attached to the second one, forming a branch. This is the branched form of carbon atoms. And when the terminal carbon atoms are attached to each other, they form a ring structure. This is the ring form of pentane. Ring form of pentane means this is the cyclopentane. After this, we will see the isomerism. What is meant by isomerism? The structural formulae of a molecule are different, but the molecular formula is the same. Then the compounds are called as isomers of each other, and the phenomena is called as isomerism. Means when 4 carbon atoms are attached to each other, they form butane. They form what? Butane. Here these are the 4 carbon atoms attached one after another, forming a straight chain of carbon atoms. This is the first carbon, second carbon, third and fourth carbon atom. 4 carbon atoms are attached to each other, forming N-butane. And when one of the terminal carbon atom is attached to the middle carbon atom, it forms the isobutane. The structural formula is different, but molecular formula is same. The structural formulae are different, but the molecular formula is same. Hence, both are called as isomers of each other, and the phenomena is called as isomerism. This is the isobutane. Look at the board. This is the structure of isobutane. Here 4 carbon atoms are attached and 10 hydrogen atoms are there, and similarly here 4 carbon atoms, 10 hydrogen atoms are attached to carbon atoms. Because of this isomerism and catenation property, carbon atom forms millions of carbon compounds with the help of covalent bonds. So if you like to see such videos, subscribe my channel, share, comment and like. Thank you.